Today we're gonna make two kinds of rolls, a savory one and a sweet one. The savory one is gonna be a sausage roll with pork meat, maple syrup and apples. And the sweet one is gonna be a pumpkin cheesecake filling, something like that. It's gonna be really good. These are great recipes for autumn or winter, so it's the perfect time for you to try them out. So let's go make them. We start with peeling some apples and drizzle some lemon on them to prevent the oxidation process. Chop them in pretty small cubes or whatever shape, but they need to be small. It doesn't need to be the same size. Now take some minced pork meat and add the apples. Add some white pepper, basil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, a lot of it, salt and maple syrup. Beat an egg and add it to the mixture. Mix everything and add some breadcrumbs. You want the meat to maintain the sausage form, and also the breadcrumbs help to keep the meat juices inside. Form a sausage shape on top of some puff pastry. Brush some egg on the part that's going on top. Try to seal it. I think you can do a better job than me at this part. You can clearly see I suck at this. Now do an egg wash and add some sesame seeds. Cut them in half, then half again, then half again to have some equal pieces. This is the easiest method to cut them equally in my opinion. Add some flaky salt before popping them into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius with fan for around 20 to 25 minutes or until the meat is done. Now serve them as you'd like. I added some mustard and they were super delicious. You want to eat them while they're still hot. These are the best to eat, especially in the cold weather. Enjoy them and let's move on to the second roll, because we're not done yet and we're gonna make one for dessert. Get some pumpkin in small pieces and cook it at 180 degrees Celsius until soft. Puree it like this or add it to a blender. Add some white non-salty cheese and mix it. You want some light brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla essence, vanilla sugar and 1 egg. Mix it for like 1 minute or so. Add around 100 grams of semolina to bring this together. Now get your puff pastry and yellow the mixture in the middle. The part that goes on top when you seal it gets the egg wash. Now the hard part is to seal it. Do what I do or do what you think works better for you. Now I did this for the sealing and it worked better than the next one. The second one I tried to seal it on top like this, but the first one worked better for me. So again, do what you think is better for you. This is gonna be some trial and error for sure. Egg wash again, sesame seeds and poke them with a toothpick so they won't explode in the oven. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius with fan on for around 20 minutes. The one on the left is the one I tried to seal it on top and it didn't work that good. Cut this in little pieces and serve them with powdered sugar or maple syrup or both, or whatever your heart tells you. If you make any of these, please let me know how it went. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you like to see more, please consider subscribing. A like and a share would really help me. See ya next time.